Good morning, children. I am Ketan sir, working as a mathematics teacher in Dr. Besan School. In previous class, we have discussed the second chapter, that is factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. And multiples. Okay, so you have to open your studio book, page number 40. Studio book, page number 40. Children, observe here the page number 40, the task 1. You are given 12 erasers and 16 crayons. So number of erasers and number of crayons. Number of erasers is equal to 12. Number of crayons so number of erasers 12, number of crayons 16. So task 1, so what is the task 1? How many friends will you share these with? How many friends? How many friends will you share these with? With. Next, how many erasers were given to each of your friends? How many erasers were given to each of your friends? Each of your friends. How many crayons were given to each of your friends? How many crayons were given to each of your friends? Children, observe here. How many friends will you share these with? Okay. So suppose only one friend. So one friend, how many? All 12 erasers we can give. All 16 crayons we can give. Okay. So that is the first thing. Suppose two friends. Okay. So 2 friends means 12 by 2. So each person will get 6, means each friend will get 6. Okay. So 16 by 2. Each friend will get 8 crayons. So this is the second one. Next. Now 12 is not divisible by 3. 12 is divisible by 3, but 16 is not divisible by 3. Okay, so that's why we can't take 3. Okay, 12 is divisible by 3, but 16 is not divisible by 3, exactly not divisible. So come to 4. So 4 friends, that means 12 by 4, that is equal to 4 3s are 12. 16 by 4, that is equal to 4 4s are 16. So 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Okay children, I hope you understood very well. Children, note down. Next to task 2. So what about the task 2? Share the erasers and crayons with maximum number of friends such that nothing is left out. Maximum number of friends. Okay. So what about the maximum? Here 4 is the maximum. Okay. So task 2. Task 2. What is the maximum number of groups? What is the maximum number of groups? Groups. You can split these erasers. And crayons with. So maximum number was 4. Next, how many friends you will share these with. So why? Because how many friends you will share these with? So 4 friends, maximum 4 only we can share. Okay. Next, how many erasers were given? Given to each of your friends. That means, see, 12 by 4, 4 3s are 12. So answer is 3. Next to how many crayons were given to each of your friends? That means 16 by 4, 4 4s are 16. Okay children, I hope you understood very well. Note down. Next, come to studio book page number 42. Now page number 42. Children, observe here. This is the question. Once I am reading, listen concentrately. Manju has 60 vanilla cupcakes and 36 chocolate cupcakes. Okay. So number of vanilla cupcakes is 60. Number of vanilla cupcakes 60, number of chocolate cupcakes 36. Okay, so this is the information given. Next, see, she wants to distribute each of them equally among her friends. She wants to distribute equally among her friends such that nothing is left. Condition is what? Nothing is left. We have to distribute equally, but nothing will be left. What is the maximum number of friends? So what is the maximum number of friends? She can distribute. So how she can distribute? We have to find out maximum number of friends. Okay, so in this distribution we have to find maximum number of friends. That is the important thing. So how to find the maximum number of friends? There is a one method. That method name is HCF method. What is the method name? HCF. Highest common factor. H means highest, C means common, F means factor. So this is the method. Okay, now what we have to do? Okay, so first of all, factors of 60 we have to find. Factors of 60. Next, factors of 36. These two we have to find. So first of all, 60. 160 is 60. 230 is 60. 320 is 60. 415 is 60. 512 is 60. 610 is 60. Okay, so what about the factors of 60? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 60. Okay. Next, we have to find factors of 36. 136 36, 2 18 36, 3 12 36, 4 9 36, 6 6 36. So what about the factors of 36? 1 2 3 4 6 9 12 18 36. Okay children, next factors of 60 we got it, factors of 36 we got it. Next we have to find common factors. Common factors. So common factors, 1 is the common factor, 2 is the common factor, 3 is also common factor. Next 4 is also common factor, 6 is common factor, 12 is common factor. That's all. So 1 2 3 4 6 12. Okay, now highest common factor what? Highest common factor, that is equal to 12. What is the highest common factor? 12. So HCF is equal to 12. Okay, so from this what we have learned. Okay, so children note down, I will tell. Okay, from this what we have learned, no? In this question, what is the maximum number of friends? So what is the maximum number of friends? 12 is the maximum number of friends. 12 is the maximum number of friends. Okay, so she can distribute the vanilla and chocolate cupcake so that everyone gets equal number of each cupcake. Okay, so each cupcake, observe here. So what is the maximum number of friends? 12 is the maximum number of friends. Okay children, so in this method we have to find solution like this. Okay children, so how to find highest common factor or HCF means you should learn this process. This is a very important method. So first of all what we have to do? For 60, okay, 160 is 230 is 320 is 415 is 512 is 610 is 1 2 3 4 5 6, increasing order 10 12 15 20 30 60, all these are factors only. Same like 36, 136 about 218 312 4 9 6 6, that's all. Okay, then 1 2 3 4 6 9 12 18 36, repetition is not allowed. Okay, is any number is repeated? No. Okay, one time only we have to write. Okay, actually observe here, 6 10 60, 10 6 60, but 6 one time only we should write and 10 also one time only we should write. Clear children? So this is the method we have to follow. Everyone, I hope everyone can understand easily this method, highest common factor or HCF method. Okay children, note down. So today's homework. So what is today's homework? Children, in today's class, I have explained Studio page number 40, task 1, page number 41, task 2, and page number 42, this SCF method also I have explained. The same thing you have to do, practice only. So what is today's homework? Studio page number 40, task 1. Okay, next same studio page number 41, task 2, page number 42, highest common factor. The HCF method you have to do practice. Okay children, very concentrately you have to listen these videos and you have to do the practice in the same way. Okay, otherwise the next class you cannot understand. Each and every video also very important. Okay children, don't think, see, only this is the way only we have, otherwise there is no way to reach the syllabus to you. That's why we are sending these videos. Please try to concentrate on these videos and try to do the homework. Okay children, and we are sending the PDF also. Just observe the PDF file and note down, okay, and practice as well as. Okay, again tomorrow we will meet. Thank you for listening. Thank you everybody.